So, how to manage your credit card or your Metrobank credit card? So, syempre, kung may credit card na tayo, kailangan natin ng gabay kung paano talaga ang tamang paggamit ng credit card. So, number one, pay in full and on time. So, always make your payments by the due date to avoid late fees and negative marks on your credit report. So, importante talagang nababayaran mo on time, especially your minimum due. Pero kasi pag minimum due pa rin, may marks pa rin yun or magkakaroon ka pa rin ng record sa credit history mo. Number two, keep your balances low or at least spend what is your credit limit. So, importante rin na alam natin yung credit limit natin at hindi tayo sumobra doon at mag-overspend. Kasi pag nag-overspend din tayo, may hit ulit yun sa credit score natin plus may additional charge na overspending. Number three, monitor your credit report. Understand how your credit card scores work and regularly check your credit reports for error or signs of fraud. So,